I the only one that didn't know you could supercharge your PSP with a quick mod? Boost your performance and unlock a world of new features. Here's how you do it. First, make sure your PSP is updated to the latest official firmware, version 6.61. You'll need your PSP, a USB cable, a memory stick, and a PC with 7-zip installed. Download the 6.61 firmware update, ARC4 custom firmware from GitHub, and 7-zip if you don't have it. Transfer the firmware update to your PSP's game folder and run it from System Settings. Next, use 7-zip to extract the ARC4 files. Copy the ARC01234 folder to your memory stick's root and the RC_loader and RC_CIPL folders to PSP game. On your PSP, open the game menu and launch RC Loader. Just follow the on-screen steps. After restart, run the RC_CIPL flasher to make it permanent. Now press Select to access the custom menu. To load your games, just drop them into a folder named ISO. Enjoy your supercharged PSP.